Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to get the size of the database in SQL Server 2022 using SQL Server Management Studio. So here I have opened all the databases. So how to get the database size? So select any database, right click, properties. So here you can see that full details of database will be displayed. You can see size is printed, space available, all the information are printed here. It's a very simple thing. Just right click, properties will give you the full details of your database. Also you can navigate the amount of memory, that is space used by log files and database. So total size is 16 MB for this database. So space available showing around 3.5 MB. Okay, let me try another example. So I'm going to select master database, right click properties. Here it's showing the database size. Also you can check what amount of space used by log file and database. Right click model. Yes, it's also giving the same. So it's a very simple thing. Just right click the database properties. It will give you the database size in SQL Server Management Studio.